monkeypox is our new virus, regardless of what your own um, uh, belief system is around viruses, around vaccines, around all that kind of crazy shit. Okay, regardless of all that, put all that aside, put your entrepreneur cap on, take everything else off, put your entrepreneur cap on. Let's see if we can make some money from it. Okay. Yes, we should be stocking up on monkeys. Anyway, so first thing interesting is that already Belgium has introduced a quarantine for monkeypoxes already. Okay. Already, Biden has says everybody should be concerned about the spread of monkeypox. Next thing, already, I don't know if it's in here, Fauci has purchased a shitload of monkeypox vaccines already. Okay, already. So all of those things tell us that regardless of whether or not we're concerned about it, there is now a political agenda to put this thing out there. America's spent money on vaccines. They don't want that to be in vain. Supply and demand states that, you know, if you do buy a shitload of a vaccine, you've got to use all that vaccine. Here are some facts about monkeypox. Let me give you some like little top level shit about this. Okay. So our top level things are essentially, this is akin to smallpox. Okay, it's from the same genus as smallpox. So immediately I'm thinking to myself, well, if it does go kind of haywire, where are the opportunities? What's available to us to make money from this? So the first thing I thought was, you know, because it's not a novel virus and it's not translated, it's not transmitted through the air. So masks are useless for this. Okay, it's actually transmitted by skin to skin contact, and that skin is usually with lesions, so little cuts. So if there's skin to skin contacts with lesions, that's how it gets transmitted. Okay, so now I'm looking at, well, what could be trends that happen as a result of this? What could go on? And so what happened with the last pandemic was an inordinate amount of people didn't want to take any vaccines. They basically had to be mandated to do that. And again, regardless of your own, you know, scientific or lack of understanding of that, what's important is there's a percentage of there's a marketplace that wants a natural remedy. That's the important thing. So the natural remedy, it turns out, for smallpox is things like herbs like this, Sarracenia purpurea, this, okay, S. purpurea. That is a natural remedy for smallpox. So let's just go take a little bit deeper of that. We're looking at the United States. So that is now on the climb. That is now on the climb, okay? Which is interesting, don't you think? That's at the very beginning of its climb. Let's just take that from worldwide. And we can see, so in the United States, there's an intense amount of interest in that. So the USA, Amazon.com, is the market for that. Australia, not so much yet. But think about what happened last time. Australia kind of lagged behind with that sort of stuff. And so maybe that's where the thing is. Canada was next. Interesting. So let's come over here. Let's now go look at how many people are actually selling something. So there's 239 people selling that particular product on Amazon, okay? Which is not many. And that's echinacea. So there's probably out of that 239, there's probably only a percentage of it actually selling the actual product. And how are they selling it? Most people don't like taking a drop. They want to take a pill. homeopathy, solution, solution, solution. Nobody's selling a pill. Okay. Lots of people don't like taking a liquid. They'd rather take a pill. Nobody is selling a pill. There's other herbs as well that are natural remedies for smallpox. So the other one is yarrow. I think it's a yarrow herb. Yeah, I was going to say yarrow root. It's yarrow herb. So more people selling that. 868. Let's just check what the dealio is there. So yarrow herb is clearly used for other things as well. And so, dandelion, I wonder if it's a function of that. Or maybe it's just being listed for these, because that's turmeric. So again, not a great deal of actual search there. And just to be super clear, like, I don't know if this virus is going to take off and people are going to start getting told they've got to be careful. I don't know. I've got no idea. What I can see is what happened last time. I can see the playbook that the world ran when there was this kind of thing going on. Okay. That's there for everybody to see. It's there for everybody to see. And right now we're at August 2019, when that very, very first thing came out about the novel coronavirus. We're at that point. It's interesting to think about that, where we are in this particular cycle.